Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 22C from chapter Heights and Distances. So starting with question number 12, a man standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of a tree on the opposite bank is 60 degrees. When he moves 50 meters away from the bank, he finds the angle of elevation to be 30 degrees. Calculate first part the width of the river and second part the height of the tree. We have already solved a similar kind of question earlier. ठीक है? So now there is a man standing on the bank of a river. Now bank of the river is what? The portion of land near the river is called bank of the river. Okay, so there is a river and this portion near the river is called bank of the river. Okay, ये portion भी bank of the river हो गया. Okay, so one bank पे there is a man standing, on another bank there is a tree. Okay, he is observing the tree. So we are not going to consider like this, we are going to consider the front view. Alright, so there is a person, there is a river like this. ठीक है, there is a person standing near the bank of the river. So we are assuming that he is standing very close to the river. Okay, we are assuming that. So he is standing at point P, let's say. Now the height of the person is nowhere in the question. So we are not going to consider the height of the person over here. Let's say he is standing at a point P on the bank. So we are going to consider point P on the bank. Okay. Now a man standing on the bank of the river observes that the angle of elevation of the tree on the opposite bank is 60 degrees. So there is a tree on the opposite bank. So he is observing a tree that is on the opposite bank. So यहाँ पे एक tree है. Okay. So I'm not drawing a tree. Let's say there is a tree of height AB. Okay. This is the river. Over here at one bank there is a person standing and over here there is a tree, okay, of height AB. Now he is observing the top of the tree. So top of the tree का elevation दिया हुआ है, it is 60 degrees. ठीक है. So यहाँ से he is looking at the top of the tree. So this is line of sight and this will be the horizontal. Correct. Line of sight and horizontal के बीच का angle is the angle of elevation, that is 60 degrees, that is given to us. ठीक है. Now tree is like this, water ऐसे flow हो रहा है, river ऐसे है, tree ऐसे है. So water surface is horizontal and tree is vertical. So angle क्या हो जाएगा? 90 degrees हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So it is 90 degrees. Now he is moving 50 meters away. So when he moves 50 meters away from the bank, he finds the angle of the elevation to be 30 degrees. Now he is moving away from the bank. So backwards जा रहा है. Okay, 50 meters. Now let's say he is moving to point Q. Okay. Now the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. When you move away from the object, the angle of elevation decreases, and when you move closer to the object, the angle of elevation increases. Okay. So this part you should know. अब 30 degrees हो रहा है angle of elevation. Okay. So now we need to find the width of the river. Width of the river क्या होगा? PB is the width of the river. ये बैंक है, ये बैंक है, in between there is river flowing, so that is the width of the river. इतना wide है river. ठीक है. So ये बैंक एरिया हो गया, ये बैंक एरिया हो गया, in between का पोर्शन जो होता है that is width of the river. ठीक है. So PB is the width of the river, that is what we have to find. What else do we have to find? The height of the tree. Height of the tree is AB. So we have to find this. Okay. Now over here we are going to redraw this. You are not going to draw the diagram like this. So there is a person standing on one side of the bank. Opposite bank पे there is a tree. Okay. So AB is the tree. This is the width of the river. We have to find the height of the tree, width of the river. Initially when he is looking, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Then he is moving 50 meters backwards at point Q. तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ 50 meters हो गया. Okay. Now the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. ठीक है. Now we need to find these two. So what we are going to do? We are going to consider right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles form हो रहा है यहाँ पे. एक है ABP, दूसरा है ABQ. Okay. We are going to consider both. We always consider a smaller triangle first. क्यों पहले ए बी पी कंसिडर करेंगे? ए बी पी इज द स्मॉलर, बिकॉज इन ए बी पी वील गेट द रिलेशन बिटवीन ए बी एंड पी बी, वील रिलेट ए बी एंड पी बी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे और कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन तो दिया नहीं है, सो ए बी एंड पी बी को रिलेट करेंगे एंड दैट रिलेशन वील यूज इन ट्राइंगल ए बी क्यू. Okay, so if you are familiar with the earlier sum, you'll know how to solve this. Okay, so let's see how to solve. Okay, now A B P consider करेंगे. We have to find this also, we have to find this also. दोनों फाइंड करना है, और कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन तो दिया नहीं है. We just know this is a right angle triangle, this is 60 degrees. ओके, सो एंगल का ऑपोजिट एंड एंगल का एडजेसेंट फाइंड करना है. ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट का रिलेशन मुझे चाहिए. ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम विच ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो? यू गेट इट फ्रॉम tan. Tan of the angle is opposite side upon adjacent side. So take tan 60. Opposite is AB, adjacent is PB. Okay, tan 60 from the table you will get √3. Correct? So standard value का table you should know. Okay, so tan 60 is √3. So AB, if you shift PB on the other side, so PB √3, that is √3 PB हो जाएगा. Okay, so AB is √3 PB. Okay, now we will be using this AB and PB in bigger triangle, that is ABQ. Okay, so let's consider ABQ now. So now if you consider ABQ, okay, ABQ में एंगल पता है, I know just this much part. AB भी नहीं पता है, PB भी नहीं पता है. Now if you notice AB and PB दोनों साइड्स आ रहा है in this big triangle also. This is the reason we related AB and PB first in this smaller triangle. Relation अब हम लोग इसमें यूज़ करेंगे. So first you don't consider bigger triangle, first you consider smaller triangle. उससे relation find out करके then you use it in bigger triangle. Okay? Now एंगल का ऑपोजिट एंड एंगल का adjacent रिलेट करेंगे अगेन ओवर हियर. सो ऑपोजिट एंड adjacent का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम टोआ, दैट इज tan. सो tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is QB. Correct? QB is the adjacent side. Now break QB. ठीक है, अब हम लोग QB को ब्रेक कर देंगे. So tan 30 क्या है? tan 30 is 1/√3, standard value table, you are supposed to know. Okay, AB is √3 PB. Correct? हम लोग को ये ट्राइंगल से रिलेशन मिल गया AB and PB का. So AB is √3 PB. सो QB को ब्रेक करते हैं, सो QP प्लस PB हो जाएगा. QP इज 50 प्लस PB. सो शिफ्ट दिस, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 50 प्लस PB is equal to √3 into √3. Square root of a number into square root of the same number gives the number itself. So 3 PB हो जाएगा. Okay, now bring the like terms together. So ये हो जाएगा 50 is equal to 3 PB minus PB, that gives 2 PB. So PB is equal to 50/2, that is 25 meters. तो PB मिल जाएगा 25 meters. Once you get PB, AB is √3 PB, so AB easily मिल जाएगा. AB is √3 into 25. Just solve this. √3 is 1.732 into 25. Just multiply and you'll get the answer. Okay, so it's very easy. First we'll consider smaller triangle, AB and PB को relate करो, and that we'll use in bigger triangle. Okay, so now let us write down proper statements and then start with the solution. So draw a proper figure and then write down the given information. Okay, so the figure will be somewhat like this. Now AB represents the height of the tree. Okay, and P is the initial position of the man. So initially the person is standing at the bank of the river. Okay, now therefore angle APB हो जाएगा 60 degrees. Okay, initially angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Then he moves 50 meters backwards. Okay, so Q is the final position of the man. Then he moves to point Q, and now the angle of elevation will be 30 degrees. Okay, QP is 50 meters. Okay, he's moving 50 meters backwards. Now PB is the width of the river. Okay, width of the river is this. River is flowing in between. This is one side of the bank, this is the other bank. Okay, now we have to find PB and AB. First we'll consider triangle ABP, smaller triangle, and we'll relate AB and PB. ठीक है? So first we'll consider this triangle. So this is just for reference. I'm drawing this separately. ABP consider कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Now this is 60 degrees. This we have to find. This also we have to find. So angle का opposite and adjacent दोनों relate करना है. So opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan. So in triangle ABP, angle APB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, we'll take tan of the angle. So it is equal to opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is PB. Tan 60 is √3. Okay, which is equal to AB upon PB. Shift PB on the other side. So √3 PB is equal to AB. So I can say AB is equal to √3 PB. Okay, this is important. This we'll use in bigger triangle, that is ABQ. Okay, so AB मिल गया, it is √3 PB. Okay, so now we'll consider triangle ABQ. So I'm drawing this separately again for reference. So ABQ है, this is 30 degrees, there is a point P in between. Okay, this is 50 meters. Now this is √3 PB. We need to find both these. Now again angle का opposite and angle का adjacent relate करना है, so we'll take tan of the angle. First write down the given information. Triangle ABQ, angle AQB is 30 degrees and QP is equal to 50 meters. ठीक है, now we'll take tan 30, so it is equal to AB upon QB. tan 30 is 1 upon √3, standard value का table. ठीक है, now AB is √3 PB, QB is QP plus PB. Now 1 upon √3 is equal to √3 PB upon QP is 50 PB as it is. Okay, now cross multiply. So 1 into 50 plus PB will be 50 plus PB. √3 into √3 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so 50 is equal to 3 PB minus PB. So हो जाएगा 2 PB equal to 50. So 50 upon 2 is equal to PB. So 25 is equal to PB. So just switch the sides. PB is equal to 25 meters. Don't forget to put correct unit. तो PB मिल गया हम लोग को. Now AB find करना है. AB is equal to √3 PB. Okay, so this will be √3 into 25. So that is 1.732 into 25. Let's see what answer we are getting. So 1732 into 25. 5 2s are 10, 15 plus 1 16, 36. So this will be 8, 0, 4, 6, 14 and 3. So we'll get 43.300. So we are getting 43.300. Okay, decimal point after 3 numbers. Okay, from the right. So 43.300 हो रहा है, which is nothing but 43.3. Okay, so AB, that is the height of the tree, is 43.3 meters and the width of the river is 25 meters. Box the answers. Write down first part, the width of the river we had to find, that is 25 meters. So just write down the statement, the width of the river is 25 meters and the height of the tree, second part, is 43.3 meters. Coming to next question. Question number 13. A 20-meter high vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground in such a way that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as seen from the foot of the pole is 60 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the pole as seen from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find first part the height of the tower, second part the horizontal distance between the pole and the tower. Now there is a pole and there is a tower. Okay, vertical pole, vertical tower. Okay, that is standing straight. So there is a pole. Okay, and a tower. Obviously pole का height tower के comparison में कम होगा. Okay, so pole we are going to consider smaller and tower we are going to consider bigger. ठीक है. Now a 20-meter high vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground. So both are standing on the same level ground. Okay, दोनों का level same है. That is दोनों का foot of the tower and foot of the pole are standing on the same level. ठीक है. So this I have not drawn properly. Draw it properly. ठीक है. So this is vertical, both are vertical and this is horizontal, ground is horizontal, so angle क्या हो जाएगा 90 हो जाएगा. Okay, so let's name this AB is the pole, PQ is the tower. ठीक है. Height of the pole is 20 meters, so this is given to us. Now a 20-meter high vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground in such a way that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as seen from the foot of the pole is 60 degrees. So angle of elevation of top of the tower, ये tower है, ये tower का foot है, ये tower का top है. Okay, now top of the tower you're observing from the foot of the pole. So ये top of the pole है, ये foot of the pole है, B is the foot of the pole. So from the foot of the pole you're observing the top of the tower. Okay, so from B you're observing P. Okay, so this is line of sight, this is horizontal, so angle of elevation कितना हो जाएगा? You are told that the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, now and the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is A as seen from the foot of the tower is Q. So Q से if you observe A, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So यहाँ से यहाँ draw it with the help of scale. Okay, so draw properly. Now यहाँ से यहाँ, this is line of sight, this is horizontal, so angle is 30 degrees. Okay, now find first part the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. PQ find करना है. What else? Second part, the horizontal distance between the pole and the tower. The pole and the tower दोनों के बीच का horizontal distance. Horizontal distance क्या होगा? This BQ is the horizontal distance. ये horizontal line है. So horizontal distance BQ हो जाएगा. Okay. So दोनों के foot के बीच का horizontal distance कितना है? That is what we have to find. So these two things we have to find. Now which one can we find first? Let us see. Okay, now there are two right angle triangles over here. PQB right angle है, ABQ right angle है. ठीक है. So PQB एक right angle triangle हो रहा है and ABQ another right angle triangle हो रहा है. So let us consider both the triangles separately. Not look at this like this. So दोनों separately consider करते हैं. एक है PQB. ठीक है. एंड PQ का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्या हो रहा है? 60 डिग्रीज हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज 60 डिग्रीज, दिस इज 90. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस एज वेल एज दिस. नाउ कंसिडर ABQ. ओके, सो आई विल ड्रॉ ABQ ओवर हियर. सो ABQ, AB पता है 20 मीटर्स है, दिस इज 90 डिग्रीज. ओके, ABQ पे फोकस करो. इसका एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कितना है? 30 डिग्रीज है. ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड BQ. यहाँ पे सिर्फ BQ ही फाइंड करना है, PQ तो आ नहीं रहा है ये ट्राइंगल में. नाउ इफ़ यू लुक एट बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स, किस में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है? ऑब्वियसली इन दिस ट्राइंगल द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज़ मोर. ओके, यहाँ पे सिर्फ एंगल दिया हुआ है, दूसरा कोई साइड तो दिया नहीं है. सो हाउ विल वी अप्लाई ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो ओवर हियर? सो फर्स्ट वील कंसिडर दिस ट्राइंगल. ओके, एंगल पता है, साइड पता है, तो वी कैन ईजिली फाइंड BQ. ओके, सो BQ फाइंड करते हैं. एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड पता है, एंगल का एडजेसेंट साइड फाइंड करना है. ऑपोजिट एंड एडजेसेंट का रिलेशन यू गेट फ्रॉम टोआ, दैट इज tan. सो यू विल टेक tan ऑफ द एंगल. सो tan 30 is equal to opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is BQ. Tan 30 you will get from standard value का table. AB is 20, so just substitute that value. So on substitutions and solving further, you will get BQ का value. ठीक है. सो हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस पहले ही मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. सो बी क्यू मिल जाएगा. वंस यू गेट बी क्यू, you can substitute the value over here or consider this triangle. You know one side, you know one angle. You can easily find the other side using trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio? Angle का opposite side find करना है, adjacent पता है, opposite and adjacent का relation again from tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is PQ, upon adjacent, that is BQ. This we will get from this triangle. This you will get from standard value table. So substituting the values and solving further, you will get PQ. Okay, that is the height of the tower. So it's easy. First you will get the distance, horizontal distance, and then you'll get the height of the tower. Once you get that, final में लिख देना answer. Okay, that first part, height of the tower is so and so, and then the horizontal distance. Okay, so now let us write down the given properly, and then we'll start with the solution. So draw a proper diagram and then write down the given information. So the diagram will be somewhat like this. AB and PQ represent the vertical pole and vertical tower respectively. Okay, so AB is vertical pole, PQ is vertical tower. ये pole है, ये tower है. Pole का height we know, so AB is 20 meters. Okay, angle of elevation of P, that is top of the tower from the foot of the pole. Okay, that is angle PBQ is 60 degrees, and angle of elevation of A from Q, that is AQB, okay, is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation of top of the pole from the foot of the tower, okay, that is 30 degrees. So write this information. What do we have to find? PQ and BQ. Okay, so first we'll consider triangle ABQ. Okay, two right angle triangles hai, one is ABQ, another one is PQB. Okay, so first we'll consider ABQ because उसमें ज़्यादा information दिया हुआ है, so BQ easily मिल जाएगा. Okay, so let us consider ABQ first. So I'm drawing ABQ separately, okay, for understanding. So ABQ, this is right angle, this is 20 meters. Okay, this entire angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so ये PBQ तो 60 है, ABQ 90 है, ठीक है. This is 30. Now in triangle ABQ, AB is equal to 20 meters and angle AQB is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, just write this down. Now we'll take tan of the angle because angle का opposite पता है, adjacent find करना है. So tan 30 is opposite, that is AB, upon adjacent, that is BQ. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, standard value table. AB is 20, BQ we have to find. Just cross multiply, so BQ into 1 BQ, 20 into root 3, 20 root 3. So we get BQ is equal to 20 into root 3 is nothing but 1.732. So just multiply 1732 into 20. So पहले 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 and 0. Decimal point after 3 digits from right, so 3 digits from right, put a decimal point. So 34.640 is nothing but 34.64. Okay, meters, because ये meters में दिया हुआ है तो बाकी सब भी meters में ही होगा. Okay, all the heights and distances will be in meters. So BQ we found first. BQ मिल गया. Okay, that is 34.64 meters. Okay, or 20 root 3. Okay, but we never keep root, so we'll substitute the value and find it. Okay, now we'll consider triangle PQB and find PQ. Okay, so PQB, I'm drawing this separately for understanding. इसका angle of elevation क्या है? PQB में 60 degrees है. This is 90, correct? ये vertical है, ये horizontal angle 90 degrees होगा. Now this we found, that is 20 root 3 or 34.64. Okay, now we need to find this. Angle का opposite find करना है, adjacent पता है. Opposite and adjacent का relation you get from tan of the angle. Okay, so in triangle PQB, angle PBQ is equal to 60 degrees and BQ is equal to 20 root 3. Don't consider decimal, I'll tell you why. Because ultimately sometimes the root vanishes. Okay, so make sure that you write down root wala value. Okay, don't write decimal wala value. You can substitute decimal wala value, you will still get correct answer, but I would suggest that you don't take decimal value, instead consider this root value. Okay, sometimes the root vanishes. So BQ is 20 root 3. Take tan of the angle. So tan 60 is equal to angle का opposite, that is PQ, upon angle का adjacent, that is BQ. tan 60 is what? root 3. ठीक है, PQ find करना है. BQ is 20 root 3. This is the reason I told you root यहाँ पे जाएगा, so square root of 3 into square root of 3 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so it's easier compared to 34.64 into root 3 का वैल्यू, वो ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ लिटिल ईजियर. 20 root 3 into root 3 is equal to PQ. So that gives 20 into 3 is equal to PQ. So that is nothing but 60 is equal to PQ. So PQ is equal to 60 meters. तो ये भी मिल गया. So now you can write down first part. We had to find this height of the tower. So first part में लिख दो. Okay, write down height of the tower PQ is equal to 60 meters, and second part, the distance of the pole, horizontal distance of the pole from the tower is 34.64 meters. Okay, final में हमेशा decimal values लिखो. Okay, don't put root. Now in case you have not considered this root value and let's say you consider decimal value, तो भी आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. ओके, राउंड ऑफ वैल्यू आएगा, नॉट एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू, अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू आएगा. सो you have root 3 is equal to PQ upon 34.64. So you will shift this. So this will be 1.732. Root 3 is 1.732 into 34.64 is equal to PQ. You need to multiply this. आंसर आएगा 59.99 समथिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट 60. ओके, राउंड ऑफ करके 60 हो रहा है. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है, यहाँ पे मैथमेटिकली ऑल्सो इट इज़ ईजी. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट पुट रूट वाला वैल्यू व्हेन यू आर सब्सटीट्यूटिंग दिस. ठीक है.